Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are meeting for the first time to record our group discussion one. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Shazri binti Zahrin. My matric number is 197896. I am a third year student from Faculty of Science, Bachelor of Science Statistics.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Aisyah Zahira binti Zainuddin. My matric number is 196183 and I am from Faculty of Medicine and Health Science, and currently I'm majoring in occupational safety and health.
Hi everyone, my name is Nur Amira binti Ghazali, just call me Mira, and my matric number is 199057. Right now I am third year student from Faculty Medicine and Science Health, and I'm taking Bachelor Science Occupational Safety and Health. So we shall proceed to Hannah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. My name is Nurahana binti Ma'arif and my matric number is 198646. I am third year student of Environmental and Occupational Health in Faculty of Medicine and Science Health. Okay, next I will pass to Nur Hanani.
My name is Nur Hanani binti Hayuddin. My matric number is 197576. I'm from Faculty of Science, taking Bachelor of Statistics.
My name is Nur Husnina binti Mahata. My matric number is 196537. I am third year student and I'm from Faculty of Science. I'm taking a Bachelor of Science Statistics.
We had done for our introduction. So next, we will proceed to our agenda for this first meeting. First, we need to divide into two groups, which each group have 3%. So who want to be in a group one?
Me and Hannah is one group since we live in college together.
Okay,
And Aisyah.
Oh, okay. So we already had 3% in group one. So for the group two, we have me, Shazri, Nani, then was Nina. Okay. Next, we need to identify two global issues that we want to select for we do to create a poem for each week. So anyone has a suggestion or what global issue that we want to do?
Okay, thank you, Shazrin. I have one suggestion for our topic in our this sem LAX. Okay, my suggestion one is about the racism. As we all know, in Malaysia, we live in various ethnic, and all of us have to respect each other and tolerate with each other ethnic and religious. So for me, racism is one of the suitable topic for this poem, so that we can bring about the tolerate how to be responsible and respect each other. Although we from different ethnic and different religions. That's for me. How about this?
That's a good idea, Hannah. So anyone would like to suggest? I think I heard Aisha.
I would like to suggest one more global issues that currently occur around the world. I would like to suggest for climate change. I think this issue is pretty serious because it's not only happen in Malaysia, but it also can be considered as a global issue. Example of climate change that have been occurring nowadays is global warming. And global warming, we can see that there is a rise of temperature and then the rise of water due to the chunk of ice in the Antarctic that have been broken apart and melt. And I think this issue is quite interesting because we can like raise awareness to others about these issues. So that is from me. Thank you.
I agree with Aisha Zahira about the climate change. I also like that topic since the awareness about climate change day by day is become more bigger. Also, about climate change that I would like to add, we as human, we shouldn't be like more like too selfish since we share our earth with plant, with animal too. So I think that's also can be included into the climate change global issues. How about others?
I think I agree with Amira ideas and also Aisha. Um, but for me, I think the next topics that we can that we can take is COVID-19. As we know, it's been a year since the virus has spread throughout the world. So I think that's like the hottest issue that we can make as a poem for this LAX 2019. So how do you think about my idea?
I like your idea, but I would like to suggest another global issue that we can address, which is marine pollution. I think most of us know what is marine pollution. It happens when chemicals and trash that come from the land is washed or blown into the ocean, and it causes many damage to the environment and to the organism, whether it is for the marine organism or to the human itself. So I think this is actually a very it's is actually a growing problem in today's world, but it not many people are care about this issue. So I think we should address this issue in our discussion. And I think it is quite easy to make a poem based on this global issue.
Uh, okay. I think the issue that I want to suggest is about war. I think war is a lot of young generation right now. They think war is just a past, just an history. I think that history is should be the moral value should have their own moral value that we should appreciate nowadays. So I think war is suitable for our global issues.
I think this idea is not I'm not saying that it's not relatable or it's not a concern anymore, but I think there are more something that important, such as COVID-19, that can be considered also as war that we are facing right now. So I think COVID-19 issue is more important for now rather than war, even though it also happens too. That is my opinion.
Oh, I get your point, Aisha. I think the the global issue about war is not suitable for us. I think the COVID-19 is more like war too.
Okay. I would like to suggest one issue, which is mental health. Everyone knows nowadays mental health is a big issue. Due to COVID-19 also, everyone had a deep pressure or really feel stressful because of restriction everywhere. So mental health or also affected most people nowadays. So I think this issue is suitable or relatable to us because it also the issue also close to us. Since we heard about it almost every day or every week. So what you guys think about my suggestion?
In my opinion also, I think as Amira and Shah said about mental health and war, maybe we can include it under the global issue of COVID-19 because as we know, COVID-19 issue is quite diverse and it can relate with many things such as war and also the mental health. So maybe we can just choose COVID-19 as the main, and maybe in our poem later we can relate it into if you guys still want to do the war and also mental health. That is my opinion.
That's a good idea, Aisha. I really like that idea. So both of us opinion also can include it into our poem. Well, there is a lot of good ideas. So until now we have global issue about racism, climate exchange. Right, what I said. Then COVID-19. Nani marine pollution. Right. So as for me, I think now we want to select two global issue.
We can vote for each of the topic. So everyone can raise up their hand once for each topic.
Which means everyone vote for once. Okay. So who want first who want the global issue of racism? Put your hands up. Okay. Next, climate.
Me.
Okay, we have all.
6.
Okay, next, COVID-19.
Okay. COVID-19.
Three or four. Okay, 3. Marine pollution. Our last suggestion. Issues. Okay, 2. Okay, we already have a decision. Okay. So the two global issue that we will create a poem, climate and COVID-19.
Yay.
Yes, I agree.
Okay. So okay. Each group will create one poem for each global issue. So for next discussion, group discussion 2, group 1 will recite their poem. And group 2 will listen as the audience and share what's their opinions.
All right.
Any question or any
Then after group discussion two, in group discussion 3, the second group will also recite the poem about climate change.
yeah,
Is it?
yes, true.
I think we all clear from now.
Anyone else?
And I think maybe we can make the next discussion for the next week at the same time. And I just okay with this time.
Yeah. Does anyone disagree to have
I
this
think,
this time as a
Yeah.
regular?
yeah, sure. If any one of you have problem, we can contact in WhatsApp group.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay. I think that's all for our group discussion 1 for today. Till we meet again next time. And see you again. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Bye bye.
See you next